Hey guys, welcome again, and today I'm going to explain you a transfer version of neural style transfer, how you can create how you can map actually neural style transfer in video like you can see right now. So guys, traditionally I have seen lots of video and I have read lots of tutorial, but the in most of the cases the style transfer have significant problem that you cannot make real time style transfer in the form of video in a streamlined way, just like you can see right now. So what I did, I just build another algorithm in which I create first a data set of style transfer, and then I perform pixel to pixel mapping to store the weight and make very fast neural style transfer. So guys, I'm going to show you if you can store and you can create a weights like this, how you can customize your own video and how you can animate it. It has various applications. So I'm going to use one of my favorite video, the Gangnam style. I guess most of the guys has already listened this video, and how it will look like when I apply neural style transfer. At the beginning you also see a sample version of created animation. So let's move further and see how it will look like. Okay guys, so I'm stopping this program right now and I will give you an overview about the about how I'm restoring the weight and how I'm creating it, and later in the later section I will give you an overview how you can create your own neural style transfer for video. So let me play the video first, because this is one of my favorite song. And where is the video? Okay, this is the frame, and he's waking up. So oh god, you guys, you can see here the very good class of animations with Gangnam style. So you guys also create such type of video and animation by yourself. Just follow few lines of codes. I redesign my codes and store the weights in using TensorFlow. Let me stop the video first. This is my weight, and my last layer of convolutional last layer will give you an output in style form. So now I'm moving forward and I'll show you how you can also build things like that. Okay guys, first what I did, I built an neural style transfer on the top of TensorFlow 2. I've explained this part on my previous video. If you haven't seen that video, please go to that, check it out to understand it better. But I'm moving forward. Once I performed the neural style transfer, I created a data set like this. Here you can see input image and output style transfer. I have for doing this I use a simple style Picasso image. It must be on my computer somewhere. Let me figure it out where it is. Okay, I forgot. Let it be. Okay guys, so once I created this data set, I perform pixel to pixel mapping, and this is all my program. It is a combination of generator and discriminator. So what just like it happens with GAN network, generator will generate exact style mapping, and discriminator will help interfere in the actions of generator and trying to adapt generator more accurately the pixel mapping. This is all about the program. First I use generator, then I use discriminator, then I train my program for couple of epoch. After the program when run for couple of epoch, I just save my checkpoints and create a graph file in the later on, which I can import in the main final program. And I'm using CUDA GPU 1080, and once I done this part, as you can see, I am able to create my animation video with the help of style transfer, and I can do it with any type of video, and I can also use another style to build animations. So there is open source data set I have already collected. So guys, meanwhile the video is playing, I want you to tell, I'm a part of Research Infinite Solution, and we provide various type of services, AI services, building model, recommendation, help people to getting more information about AI. If companies want consultancy, we provide it. We build POC for companies. Any type of services in AI, machine learning you are looking for, just contact me. I have given my contact number at the title sections of the video. And thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.